This is the elevator at the Cavendish apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The down button is broken, but the up button works. It's an old general elevator with older white GAL fixtures. Look at this. Oh, maybe the down button's broken because the ground floor has been capped up and not in use anymore. Up to 5. Kill the fan. Look at these older white big GAL fixtures. Look at this. Old general elevator. I'd say this is from the 60s or 50s. 50s or 60s. Old GAL. Here are 5. Wow, listen to that motor. Go back down to 1. Whoa, that's very rattly. Hear that motor. There's your certificate. Carpeted walls in your old-fashioned tile floors. General elevator. General. And your panel. Your indicator. The ground floor looks like it's been capped. Epic motor on this thing. In case fire not use elevators, I'll get a better listening of that motor. Wow, this thing's really old. There's that's it.